Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to my live session. And in this live session, I will talk on adsorption isotherm models. So let us start adsorption isotherm. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask anything, and please watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. And if you have anything to ask me, you are most welcome to ask here. So I am really excited to answer the questions. Well, now I'd like to start with adsorption isotherm model. So in surface chemistry, adsorption is very important, and adsorption isotherm is the best way to understand the adsorption process, and it enables us to establish a relation between equilibrium concentration and amount adsorbed, and it helps us to optimize the process. So today's session I will primarily discuss on various questions asked by my viewers. So let us start with QA session. Well, in the first question, Omulok he asked, Sir, N equal to QE and C equal to C, right? Thank you. Yes, in my Langmuir isotherm model fitting, I sweat N equal to N max K C divided by 1 plus K C. So in this equation, I have used N equal to QE and C equal to CE. So thank you so much for this question. Next question is Hassan Mia asks, this is very helpful. So thank you so much for your appreciation. And third question asked by Imran Ahmed Khan, Sir, what is the relationship between QE and Qmax in Langmuir model? Thank you so much for this question. QE is the amount adsorbed at equilibrium, while Qmax is the maximum adsorption capacity. So if we see the Langmuir equation, we see that Q equal to Qmax KCE divided by 1 plus KC. That means QE is directly proportional to Qmax. Then he also asked, Sir, please shows the method of calculating N and C. That means QE and C. Thank you so much for asking this question. Recently, I published two videos where I have clearly explained how to find or how to calculate C and Q in adsorption isotherm study. And I also explained how to calculate CT, QT, and percent removal for for kinetic study. Okay, then AMA Cam asked, Sir, please show the method for calculating error functions like standard error and del Q. Thank you so much for asking this question. Well, Several days ago, I published four videos I have where I have clearly explained how to find error in adsorption, isotherm, and kinetic study. Okay, thank you again. What I was saying, recently I published four videos where I have clearly explained how to find errors in adsorption isotherm and adsorption kinetics using various techniques. Okay, then Nur Ashikin Muhammad asked, Salam, doctor, can you make a video on how to calculate the value of K, NM, and N? Thank you so much for asking this question. Well, I have already prepared a video on how to fit both linear and non-linear Langmuir isotherm model using Origin Pro. Then, sir, then Imran Ahmed Khan also asked, sir, how to find C and N, both columns used in the origin? Thank you so much for asking this question. I have already answered this as mentioned earlier that I have prepared two videos where I clearly explained how to find CE and QE for isotherm and kinetic study. Then Mohini Singh comment very nicely explained. Thank you so much for your nice comment. And then Koenok asked how to fit two dependent functions. Thank you so much for asking this question. However, I also showed how to fit one dependent functions to make it easier. Then Mustaq Ahmed also comment, love you sir. I was in search of such content for so long time, but unfortunately I didn't find anything. I had tried many times to search in YouTube, but all was in vain. Thank you so much for this comment. Well, I am making videos for mainly PhD researchers, MPhil researchers, and other researchers. So I think that watching all these videos will help all the researchers to a greater extent. Then Mohini Singh asked, how can we calculate errors using Origin Pro? Please explain. Thank you so much for asking this question. Well, in my past videos, I showed how to calculate errors for isotherm and kinetic study using Origin Pro. So using Origin, we can identify four different types of errors. Number one is regression coefficient R square, adjustable regression coefficient R square, and chi-square, and Pearson R. And we can also determine R standard error. Okay. Then another question. I presented poster presentation in the conference before submitting my paper in the journal. Is this a part of preprint server? The journal is asking. Thank you so much for asking this question. Well, every publisher has a preprint server. For example, Springer Nature has got a Research Square preprint journal. So, poster is not a part of the manuscript. So, the whole manuscript is the part of preprint server. Thanks for your understanding. Then, Lucas Lima. Hi, I really liked the video. How do I get the theoretical QE data using the values obtained from LOBS equation? Thank you so much for your nice question. Well, in my previous videos, I showed how to find QE from extrapolating isotherm to y-axis using Origin Pro. I think you can find this video in my channel. Then Lorna Vas Thulujan commented, thank you. Your videos helped me a lot. I am having problems to fit other models such as pseudo first and pseudo second order. How do you type the equations when you create the models? Thank you so much for this nice question. Well, in my previous videos, I explained how to fit pseudo first order and pseudo second order kinetic model using Origin Pro. In order to in order to type equations, you need to go to analysis, then nonlinear curve fit, then new function, which will be, for example, pseudo first order. Then you have to type pseudo first order function. So if you watch my videos, I hope it will be clear to you. Thanks again for asking this. Then Ilma Khan asked, nice sir, your videos are very helpful. Thank you so much for your nice comment. Your comments always inspire me to make more videos. Then Asma asked, please do for us non-linear isotherm, Temkin and DR model, Dubinin Raduskevich model. Okay, thank you so much. Uh, in my uh, in my previous videos, I explained how to fit Temkin and DR isotherm model, and I also showed non-linear Temkin isotherm model. However, I did not show how to fit non-linear GR model. Actually, this model is a complex system and it is very difficult to fit nonlinear equations. That's why I did not fit nonlinear isotherm of DR model. However, as you are requesting, I will try to fit this in near future. Thank you again for this question. Then AMA Cam asked, thank you, sir. Very interesting. Please, how to do a linear fitting of tooth, sheet, and heel isotherm? Thank you so much for this comment. Well, recently I have published videos relating to nonlinear, how to fit nonlinear tooth and sheep's isotherm model, and hopefully in near future I will publish video on how to fit heel isotherm model using Origin Pro. Again, thank you for this question. Okay, then another person asked, thank you so much for this, doctor. It's good to have videos like this for a student like me. Give more, Dr. Goodwall. Thank you so much for your appreciation. I am trying to make videos which will help you a lot. So please keep watching and please do subscribe my channel. Another, Ali Yasin Sunaun asked, thank you very much for this fitting. I needed it lot. Well, thank you so much for this question. I understand what researchers are needed, and I try to make videos based on the research need. So keep watching, and it will be helpful for you. Then Pallav Mahmood asked how to plot non-linear intraparticle diffusion kinetic model fitting easily in Origin Pro. Well, thank you again for this question. Well, interparticle, the original equation of interparticle is in the linear form, so it cannot be converted into non-linear form. That's why we cannot fit non-linear form of intraparticle diffusion model. Thanks for your understanding. Another question asked Kimi ST. He has tried to fit, he asked the question in Russian language. He tried to fit several models, but unfortunately, fit did not converse. Reason unknown. Please help me. Well, in your case, you can practice several times watching my videos. Then I hope you will be able to fit these models easily. Thanks for your comment. Shipon Rahan said, thank you so much. Thank you for your appreciation. And Omulok E also says, is this nonlinear fitting? No. The question where it is asked, it was a linear fitting of Langmuir isotham. And Lucas Lima asked to know about the comparison of theoretical and calculated value of isotherm and kinetics. Thank you so much for this question. I have already made two videos relating to the comparison of theoretical QE value with model values. I hope it will be helpful for you. Then Kimi again asked, giving some data, and he tried to fit but could not. As I said before, practice makes a man perfect. So you cannot fit all the models overnight using Origin Pro. You need a lot of practice. Well, these are the main comments asked by dear viewers, and so I am really impressed that although I have opened this channel recently and huge numbers of researchers, students, teachers are watching my videos and asking me a lot of questions related to various topics. I am really happy to help you, and as I am talking on adsorption isotherm, so in this connection, I would like to say that there are two types of fitting. One is linear fitting, another one is non-linear fitting. But new researchers should remember that non-linear approach is better than linear approach. So I again thank you all for this session, for participating this session, and if you have any question, please leave a comment and I will get back to you soon. So if you are benefited watching my videos, then I will be much more happier to help you and to make more videos on these topics. And if you have particular topics of interest, please leave a comment. Then I will make videos on these topics. Well, with this, I would like to conclude my first live session. And thank you so much for being with me. And thank you all for watching my videos. And please do not, please feel free to leave comments. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you again. See you next time with another live sessions, and I will try to make more videos based on your need. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Goodbye.